Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Thelma, and today I have for you a new Dollar Tree haul. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. First, I want to show you these two blushes. They're Starry Precious Mineral Blush. I only found these two. These were the last two they had. But I think there was 3 of them, so you might want to find the other one with a different shade. These were the only 2 they had, and they're real pretty shades, as you can tell. And then the next thing I have is some LA Colors makeup. I picked up 2 of these beige concealers. Some eyeliner. Let me see if I've got there. It's just your basic eyeliner, the kind that goes, you twist it. It's not the pencil. I don't like the pencil. But there's that one, and then there's Auto eyeliner is what it's called. I couldn't think of the name of the machine. The name of the pencil. But I got 2 black because I go through these like crazy. And I was looking for like a navy or one of those green ones. They're real pretty, like forest green, metallic looking. But they didn't have any. Now, they did have this LA Color Plump Gloss. And I already took the little wrap off to save on time so I can swatch this for you. That's it right there. It's just, it's a plump. I guess it's supposed to plump up your lips a little bit. But that's the shade. I think it's real pretty. And then I also got some of the face primer. And this LA Colors Bold Lash Mascara in black. And I also picked up some Wet n Wild. There's this Wet n Wild blush. There's the name. Even though I had my cataract surgery on my right eye on the 18th, and I can see now out of that eye. I have this one on the 23rd or 27th of January, because on the 4th when I went in for my right eye, my blood pressure and my diabetes was way up. They just jumped. So it got canceled right before they was getting ready to have the surgery. And here's some highlighter. But I can see, but I can't see those real tiny words yet. They said even with the cataract surgery, and you know, with it me being able to see now, I might still have to wear glasses. Some people do, some people don't. But that's okay with me. And then here's this Wet n Wild eyeliner. And lip liner. Let me see, I opened that one up. I'm going to put this right on top of that. Not on top of it, but above it. There's the right here. That's the shade. And then there's this Wet n Wild lip gloss. And then there's this one. It's a liquid something. I can't make it cursive. It's too shiny right now. Let me see. I did take one of these off so I could swatch it for you. It's this one. And I'm putting it above the, well, in this way, it's right here on the bottom as I flip my hand around. But that's that. Okay. Let me grab one of these tissues here and wipe that off my hand, or I'll be smearing it everywhere. But I hope y'all had a nice Christmas, and I hope y'all are doing well. Okay, first I'm also going to show you, I picked up this Bella Linda hair mousse. I get this every time I see it up there because it's my favorite. A pink loofah. I love this. I picked up 2 of these. It's the raspberry sensitive skin shaving cream. I absolutely love this kind. And then there's this makeup brush cleaner. They got this back in. Can't beat that for $1.25. And Suave Tropical Paradise deodorant. I love this scent. I got this Power Stick Shea Butter Body Lotion. Now this smells good, and it's real nice and smooth and silky on your skin. Picked up some more of these soaps. The white one and the black. And this Pond's. This stuff is real good. I mean, it's not a real big bottle, but this stuff is good. I bought this probably since the first time I seen it up there, probably 10 times. And that's it for the makeup and the skincare. So I did pick up 2 of these soap dishes, 1 for each bathroom, for those soaps. I'm going into the stickers now. I picked up some more of these heart with little stones stickers for my journaling. These are different metallic, and you run your finger across, you can feel them. Feel how the design. And then I've never seen these up there. Look at these beautiful roses. And it's like 3D. They're layered on top of each other. And then there's this one. These beautiful roses. And then this one. Whoops. I love this one. This is so different. Look at all the different colors. And then they've carried these here before, but I had to get them again because I seen them. I picked up 2 of these metallic roses. Real beautiful. And again, these, you run your finger across them. I forget what it's called, but the shape of the rose petals are, you can feel them. And then there's these. These are so nice and different. They've had these up there before, and these, but well, I picked up 2. And then I've got these. I went up there, when I was up there today, it's a Sunday, the 24th, Christmas Eve, and 2 aisles of their Christmas was empty, but it had boxes sitting on the shelves, Valentine's Day. So I asked the manager when we was checking out, and she said they'll be starting working on them on Tuesday, but yeah, by next weekend they'll have all their Valentine's stuff that they have out, and I can come up there and get first dibs on it. And then there's these, Alphabet. There's these. And I love these. I went ahead and got these for spring. And then I bought this marker and watercolor pad. It's for my journaling. These Construction Crayola. They're both Crayola. And I also picked up this Scenic Beauty calendar. Here's all the months on it right there. I picked up some Crafter Square items, Mod Podge, the one with the, I still can't see the fine print, but it's the orange and the yellow. I picked up those. This adhesive spray, I picked up several of them. I love these when I'm doing the tabs, and you buy them black chalkboard tabs from the Dollar Tree or anywhere, and then you spray the printout of the tab that you're going to glue on it, spray the back of it and put it on it, and it just, it lays without any wrinkles or anything. It's real good. I got some of this tacky glue. I like that on some things, not everything. And some of this wood glue again, and this crafting glue. I also picked up some of these fastener dots. They're just the little dots. Some of these glue dots. And some of these pop dot tape. I forgot to grab the real thin sticky on each sticky on both sides, you know, for gluing stuff down instead of using glue. But I'll get them when I go back up there. And I picked up this Jot clear glue. I'm already using these, but they're the Scotties paper tissues, and I picked up one in these. Oh, no you don't. You move. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, that's the little one. He ain't so little anymore. Okay, and I got a few cleaning supplies. This is an air freshener. It goes in the air freshener machine that squirts and it comes out. Can't beat that for $1.25. This is called Odor Ban. It's a disinfectant, and it really does work. It's real nice. I want to show you the other sprays that I got. Finally found some of this Wizard air freshener. Now this stuff, I really like this. It smells real good. And then there's the Sheer Sense. You get 25% more in it. Apple cinnamon. I really like that. Oh, go on now. Sorry about that. At least he was graceful about it and didn't run right into it like he does sometimes. Then I have to start over. But they like sitting on this ottoman, this big footstool. Picked up one of these. Another can of air freshener, Glade. I love this Comet foam bath cleaner with bleach. And then there's this awesome cleaner with bleach. I buy this every time I run, you know, or about ready to run out. I love that stuff. And then we thought we'd try this. Now this was $3, and it's the only thing that was $3. It's Odor Ban, eliminates odors, and it's disinfectant. But it's well worth it. I've already used it. There's 10 in a pack. It's called the Wet Sweeper Cloth Refills. These work wonders. with my little Swiffer brush. Then the Brillo Basics reusable wipes. Just a few more items. Matter of fact, there's just 2. And there's these sandwich bags. And these Altex gloves, multi-purpose. You get 2 of them in it. And let's see, that is it for today's Dollar Tree haul. Thank you all for stopping by, and for, if you're still here, for watching the whole video. And if you didn't, then thank you for stopping by anyway. Make sure you click that like button. That really helps my channel grow. Share the video with people you know. That helps get it out there. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And you will be, just from watching the video and subscribing to my channel, leaving me a comment, letting me know you entered into the contest, you will be entered into the 2 contests I have going on now. You can read about it in the description. Plus, I have 2 short videos that shows what's in each of the giveaways, what all you'll be getting, and I'm constantly adding to it as I come across stuff that's relevant to the giveaways. And if you have any questions about them, just leave me a comment. Alright, thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.